The Guppie from CRKT was designed by Lance Barber and Tom Stokes. It's a hard-working multi-tool with dozens of everyday uses. The adjustable wrench jaw opens to a 1/2 inch for light repair and assembly jobs. A high-carbon 2-inch stainless steel blade can be opened and closed easily using the blade slot. The removable bit carrier is a high-intensity LED light and has 2 locator posts and strong magnets to hold it securely to the Guppie's side. The removable bit and driver are held securely in place in the tail of the body. The stainless steel clip will hold the Guppie in your pocket or gear and can also be used as a money clip. The carabiner detent will open bottle caps and metal jar lids. The Guppie is a versatile multi-tool that is a convenient carry option for a variety of everyday tasks.
There's several special things about this place.
I love what I do. I get to make knives for a living.
It's not just the tools that we make, it's the people we work with.
We've been making blades in Portland since 1939.
For 18 years, they've treated me good.
I have been working here about 20 years.
35 years.
I enjoy it. I like what I do.
The more work we can bring into this building, the better.
We're working with our folks in industrial design and visiting the military to determine their needs. Taking it from that point, we do the concept work as well as designing, engineering, and manufacturing. It's kind of a fun thing to see the products that you design end up on the military. They really appreciate the products we put out, and the feedback that they give us goes right directly into the product.
We're just more aware of what we're doing, make sure we're doing the best we can, a little more care, I think.
I talk to police officers and military folks. It's a life and death decision sometimes when they use our product.
Military deserves the best we can give them.
I want to make a good quality product because people are dependent on it. Their lives are dependent on it.
We certainly feel, an obligation of sorts to put out a good quality product and know that it's going to stand up to everything that we've designed it for.
Proud that soldiers are carrying them in the field.
People now really want to get stuff that's made in the U.S. because they know it's a better quality.
I've been buying Gerber knives since I was 18 years old. It's been a top-line product for a long time.
More innovative. It's always evolving to something different. We've gotten into better blades that will stay sharper, longer. It might be a little harder for me to sharpen, but I know they're going to stay sharper longer.
American handmade knives and tools are the best in the world.
Life isn't a popularity contest. It's not an act, and it's certainly not fair. It's not a fad, it's not a fashion statement. And it's not about pretending to have all the answers or claiming to be real. Life is blood and guts and sweat. It's hard work, true heart, pure grit. And it's time someone set the record straight. Introducing Center Drive from Gerber. With a first-of-its-kind full-size driver on the center axis that uses standard bits. A full-size outboard knife that's 30% longer than the competition with reverse thumb support. Plus, spring-loaded pliers. And they're all accessible with a flick of your thumb. The Multitool just got a reality check.